Hi, let us see this question. Find the Laplace transform of following signals. Here I have given 4 questions 1, 2, 3, 4. That means if a waveform is given, how to find out the Laplace transform of a given waveform. Let us see these questions one by one. So the first one, what it is given? A pulse is given of width t and amplitude 1. So let us write the definition of bilateral Laplace transform. The Laplace transform of x of t is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x of t into e power minus st into dt. But x of t is defined in the interval 0 to t. In this interval x of t amplitude is 1, e power minus st into dt. So the integration is, answer is minus 1 by s into e power minus st. Substitute the limits 0 to t. So if you take the minus sign inside, so 1 by s into 1 minus e power minus st. So this is the Laplace transform of the given waveform. So let us see the next question. Number 2. Here a pulse is given x of t versus t, which is extending from t1 to t2 of amplitude 1. First let us write the definition of bilateral Laplace transform. Laplace transform of x of t, given signal x of t is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x of t into e power minus st into dt. But x of t is defined in the interval t1 to t2. In this interval x of t amplitude is given as 1 e power minus st into dt. The integration is minus 1 by s into e power minus st into, substitute the limits t1 to t2. So if you take the minus sign inside, so 1 by s into e power minus s into t1 minus e power minus s into t2. So this is the Laplace transform of the given waveform. So let us see the next question, number 3. So what is given? It is a triangular pulse is given. So 0, x of t versus t. The triangular pulse is given of width t and amplitude a, t is equal to capital T. So first we have to find out the equation of the straight line. So therefore for this let us take the points 0, 0 and this point as t, a. Let us find the slope. What is the slope of the line? A minus 0 by t minus 0. Slope is a by t. Let us find out the equation of straight line. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So therefore x of t with this point and this slope, find the equation of straight line. X of t minus 0 is equal to a by t into t minus 0. So which will come out as x of t is equal to a by t into t in the interval 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to t. So this is the given signal equation. Now very simple, let us substitute in the Laplace transform definition x of t. But first write the bilateral Laplace transform definition. Laplace of x of t is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x of t into e power minus st into dt. First let us substitute, that is integral minus infinity to infinity. So what is x of t? So however x of t is defined, so in the interval 0 to t. So in this interval x of t is a by t into t into e power minus st into dt. So let us apply UV rule. So therefore a by t into first function into integration of second function is e power minus st by minus s, minus integration of differentiation of t is 1, integration of e power minus st is e power minus st by minus s. If you again integrate e power minus st by minus s whole square, substitute the limits 0 to t. So if you substitute the limits a by t, if you substitute the upper limit, it will become minus capital T into e power minus st by s, e power minus st by s, the upper limit e power minus st by s square. If you substitute the lower limit, the first term is 0, the second term will become 1 by s square. So 1 by s square. So therefore Laplace of x of t is written as x of s. If you take the LCM, a by s square into capital T, it will come out as 1 minus e power minus st minus s into capital T into e power minus st. So this is the answer for this problem. So let us find out the Laplace transform of last problem. So what is the given waveform? The given waveform is, here a sine pulse is given. Of duration 0 to t by 2 of amplitude a. First let us find out what is the equation of this sine pulse. So for this, what is x of t? First write the amplitude is a sine. First write the general format omega 0 t. But what is omega 0? Omega 0 is 2 pi f, 2 pi by capital T. You can see that the full cycle is extending up to t. So therefore the time period is capital T. So therefore just to substitute omega 0 is equal to 2 pi by capital T in this equation, x of t is equal to a into sine 2 pi by capital T into t. So now, this is the equation of this sine pulse. First let us write the bilateral Laplace transform definition. Laplace transform of x of t is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x of t into e power minus st into dt. But this sine pulse is defined in the interval 0 to t by 2. So in the interval x of t, amplitude is a and it is given as e power minus st. I am writing e power minus st first, sine of 2 pi by capital T into t into dt. So let us use this formula, integral e power ax into sine bx dx, another very important formula in Laplace transform subject. So e power ax by a square plus b square, a sine bx minus b cos bx. So use this formula. Here a is equal to minus s, b is equal to 2 pi by t. So let us use this equation. So therefore the Laplace of x of t is written as x of s. So a into e power minus st by a square, s square plus b square, so that is 4 pi square by t square into a sine bx, so that is minus s into sine of 2 pi by t into t. So minus b is 2 pi by t into cos 2 pi by t in t, capital T into t. So for this entire term substitute the limits 0 to capital T by 2. So let us make the substitutions. A into, if you substitute the upper limit, it will become e power minus s into capital T by 2 by s square plus 4 pi square by t square. If you substitute the upper limit, t gets cancelled out, 2 gets cancelled out, sin pi is 0. Again t gets cancelled out, 2 gets cancelled out, cos pi is minus 1. So it will become 2 pi by capital T. So this is the upper limit answer. If you substitute lower limit answer, in place of t 0, it will become 1 by s square plus 4 pi square by t square. If you substitute sin 0 0, cos 0 is minus 2 pi by t. So minus into minus will become plus, cos 0 is 1, minus 2 pi by t, minus into minus will become plus. So therefore you can take 2 pi by t as common. So you can write it as 2 pi a by capital T into, the numerator is 1 plus e power minus st by 2. The denominator is s square plus 4 pi square by t square. So this is the answer for this given problem. So this is how to find out the Laplace transform if a waveform is given. Thank you.